information technology is frequently a best performing sector in the S&P 500 since 2008. Nvidia is my top choice because of the competitive advantage they possess. Nvidia's Omniverse is a cutting-edge software platform designed to revolutionize the way that we create and collaborate on 3D simulations and visualizations. It allows teams of designers, engineers, and other professionals to work together in a shared virtual environment, seamlessly integrating their workflows and data into a single cohesive system. Omniverse leverages the power of Nvidia's advanced graphic technology to deliver stunningly realistic 3D visualizations, enabling users to create and interact with complex 3D models and scenes with unprecedented ease and speed. With its open architecture and support for a wide range of industry standard formats and tools, Omniverse is poised to become a key driver of innovation in fields like architecture, engineering, and entertainment. This is why Nvidia is going to be a game-changer stock, and if you're not invested, you are sleeping on a giant. By enabling more efficient and collaborative workflows, Nvidia's Omniverse has the potential to transform the way that we approach 3D design and simulation, opening up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. Nvidia's Omniverse is just one part of the company's larger ecosystem of cutting-edge technologies that are transforming the way that we approach computing and data processing. The advanced hardware solutions offered by Nvidia's enterprise hardware ecosystem provide the power and the speed needed to support the demanding workloads of businesses and organizations across a wide range of industries. For example, the Nvidia DGX system is specifically designed for use in AI and deep learning applications, while the Nvidia A100 Tensor Core GPU is optimized for high-performance computing tasks. These products, combined with Nvidia's Mellanox networking solutions, enable businesses to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, making it easier to gain new insights and make informed decisions. By leveraging the power of Nvidia's advanced technologies, businesses can unlock new possibilities for innovation and growth, whether it's healthcare, finance, or scientific research. Ultimately, Nvidia's enterprise hardware ecosystem is helping to drive the next wave of technological innovation, providing businesses with the tools they need to succeed in today's data-driven economy. Nvidia's enterprise hardware ecosystem is a comprehensive suite of powerful, high-performance computing solutions designed to meet the needs of businesses and organizations across a wide range of industries. The ecosystem includes a variety of products such as Nvidia's DGX system, Nvidia's A100 Tensor Core GPUs, and Nvidia's Mellanox networking solutions. These products are built using the latest advanced technologies such as AI, deep learning, and accelerated computing, and are designed to deliver the highest levels of performance and efficiency possible. With their ability to handle massive amounts of data and complex computing tasks, Nvidia's enterprise hardware solutions are ideally suited for use in fields like healthcare, finance, and scientific research, where precision and speed are critical. By providing businesses with the tools they need to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, Nvidia's enterprise hardware ecosystem is empowering organizations to unlock new insights, improve decision-making, and drive innovation across their industries. In addition to Nvidia's Omniverse and enterprise hardware ecosystem, the company is also heavily invested in the development of autonomous vehicle technology. Nvidia's Drive platform is designed to provide the AI and computing power needed to make self-driving cars a reality and has already been adopted by several leading automakers. With the potential to revolutionize transportation and logistics, autonomous vehicles represent a major opportunity for innovation and growth. Nvidia's investment in this technology underscores their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI and advanced computing, and positions them at the forefront of the most transformative technological shifts of our time. As we look to the future, it's clear that Nvidia will continue to play a pivotal role in driving innovation across a wide range of industries. And clearly, Nvidia is a company that is definitely worth watching right now. I think Nvidia could be one of the most undervalued stocks on the stock market. Just as the internet transformed the way we access and share information, Nvidia's innovations in AI and high-performance computing are poised to revolutionize the way we process and analyze data. With its advanced hardware solutions and cutting-edge software like the Omniverse, Nvidia is paving the way for a new era of innovation and discovery, empowering businesses and organizations to tackle the world's most complex challenges with unprecedented speed and efficiency. This is exactly why I got a data science degree from Drexel as my second major to finance. It was only a matter of time until AI would be the biggest biggest investment opportunity to have come since the internet. And visualizing data and making data-driven decisions is literally one of the most important things that CEOs and big companies can do, because with data, they can reduce costs, they can reduce shipping, they can increase efficiency, and all of that increases bottom line profits, which is exactly what investors care about. They just care what is the bottom line profit. But check it out, Nvidia stock is trading at a whopping 161 price to earnings ratio and a price to sales ratio of 26. That's roughly 4 times higher than Tesla stock. So a lot of Nvidia's valuation is priced in, but I still believe there is a long-term potential, and here's why. According to data from Finbold on May 2nd, Nvidia's stock received ratings from 46 Wall Street analysts in the past 3 months. Among them, 31 recommended a strong buy, 3 suggested a buy, and 12 advised a hold. Notably, there was no analyst to support a sell or a strong sell rating. Now, is this a coincidence? I'm not sure, but many analysts are realizing that Nvidia is a growth opportunity. It's here to stay, and Nvidia is tackling innovation head first, and this means that the stock is likely to continue growing at a very fast pace. No, this is not a value stock. This is a growth stock, but there is tremendous growth ahead of us. Nvidia is under $300, and although it's not priced as a value stock, I think there is room for upside. Nvidia has more room for upside beyond $350 for several reasons. Firstly, the company is benefiting from a rise of generative AI, which is driving stronger demand for hyperscale customers for all of its data center platforms. In the short term, Nvidia's new H100 data center GPU has been well received by clients, and its near-term outlook is favorable. Moreover, in the long run, AI interference is expected to be a major growth driver for Nvidia Corporation, with the potential to increase its annual AI inference revenue tenfold to $5 billion in the next 5 years, according to Morgan Stanley. Secondly, the lack of semiconductor chips is not expected to be a significant issue for Nvidia Corporation in the near term. The company is confident that it will be able to serve the data center market as it continues to build supply. Now, this is very important because if they don't have enough supply, then they can't make enough chips to actually sell, and they do not see this as a problem. Third-party research also indicates that the delivery times for semiconductor chips have improved significantly, with average delivery times being 9 weeks shorter than last year. Now, 9 weeks is a whole lot of time, and this is very important to understand where Nvidia is right now, because as semiconductor chip deliveries increase, that is not a good thing. That means that they're not supplying enough and they're not able to collect their accounts receivable fast enough. But this doesn't seem to be an issue, and 9 weeks faster is a very big deal from 1 year ago. So the trend looks very positive. Finally, Wall Street analysts are bullish on Nvidia Corporation growth prospects, particularly in relation to generative AI growth driver. They have highlighted the company's dominance in the nascent generative AI large language model market and its massive total addressable market numbers. Analyst sentiment has become much more favorable in recent months, with an increase in the consensus of Q1 fiscal year 2024 normalized EPS estimate for Nvidia Corporation and a rise in the average sell-side analyst rating for Nvidia. In conclusion, before I show you the fundamentals and the technicals by opening up my portfolio and showing you my $2 million and exactly why I plan to dump a whole bunch of money into Nvidia's stock price has been rising. And the reason is due to investors realizing what a good opportunity this is right now to invest their money into. Nvidia's stock price has been rising due to its strong position in generative AI market and the potential growth opportunities in the AI inference segment. The lack of semiconductor chip shortage and positive analyst sentiment further support the company's growth prospects, suggesting that its stock has more room for upside beyond $350 per share. All right, this is part 2. Let's jump into my portfolio right now. As you can see, I have $2 million and I am investing in a whole bunch of stuff, and I love innovative technology companies that are growing fast. I don't currently have Nvidia in my portfolio, but I plan to dump a whole lot of money into Nvidia. I currently have a lot of different innovative companies like JD, I have Palantir, and I have Triple Q, and Triple Q actually owns a lot of Nvidia. But what I want to do right now is I actually want to go into the technical analysis of Nvidia. I want to show you the chart and specifically what I'm looking at. Now, if you will notice right here, if I go to the 6-month chart right now, you will notice that in the past 6 months, Nvidia has literally just went up like a rocket. This company is increasing in value like crazy. I mean, just check it out. 6 months ago, this stock was trading for around $166 per share. and now it's up more than $100 in the past 6 months. Now, usually this is a bad thing, and the thing that's bad is that this company is becoming more expensive and the opportunity is going away to get into this company. And yes, that is absolutely true, because the more expensive it gets, the less future growth it has. But I still believe this company has a lot of future growth. And specifically, one thing that I really like about the technical indicators on Nvidia is that its momentum has not ceased. I mean, literally, the momentum just continues to be like a staircase upwards. You take one step after another step after another step, and this company is just rising very steadily. You can also notice right here that the moving average continues to go up as well. Now, this is a positive sign. Usually, from my experience at Goldman Sachs and working on Wall Street, when a company has very strong momentum, that momentum is likely to continue. Now, what I also want to show you is I want to go into the statistics tab right here, because I want to show you what the company looks like on a more valuation basis. Now, the market cap is currently $706 billion. Now, actually, Nvidia was pushing $1 trillion not that long ago, a little bit over a year ago. And the forward PE ratio is 63, which is not cheap by any means, and the price to sales ratio is 26, which is also fairly expensive. Now, I do want to point out one thing though. If you look at the revenue per share, it is $10 per share, and although it currently shows -20, it's actually been growing at a very healthy amount. So if I go into the financials right here, you will see that the total revenue has been increasing from $10 billion to over $26 billion in actually just the past 3 years. Now, another thing is I'm looking at OptionsFi's website, and this is an AI algorithm that basically gives you recommendations. And I'm using this for options. I'm looking at Nvidia right now, and it has a recommendation to buy a call option for the $340 strike price out into 2024. Now, let's actually specifically look at Nvidia's options, because I think Nvidia is a very interesting leap option play. Now, what is a leap option? A leap option is basically a call option that is far into the future, and it goes for a much cheaper price than just buying outright shares. Because if you actually go ahead and buy shares of this company and you buy 100 shares, you actually have to fork up $28,915. But instead, what you can do is you can actually buy a call option. Now, if you buy a call option, and let's go out to the future date, I think the recommendation was for 6/21/2024. Okay, so I'm gonna go to 6, which is June 21, 2024. So this option is a little bit over 1 year. It's actually about 13 months out. That is a long time to wait. However, I will show you the benefit of buying a call option. Specifically, the one that's being recommended is the 340 call option. Now again, as I mentioned, if you were just to buy 100 shares, that would be about $29,000. But instead of spending $29,000, which I don't know about you, but most people don't have that laying around. So most people prefer to put up less capital up front and get an attractive return without having to fork up a whole house worth of money, right? So right here, you can see that there is an unlimited profit potential by buying this call option, okay? So if you end up buying this $340 call option, you actually still own 100 shares, because a call option owns and actually has the same benefit as owning 100 shares. So it's phenomenal. And as you can see here, the maximum loss is only $4,400. So what this means is you can actually control 100 shares for $4,400 instead of having to fork up $29,000. So you get a $25,000 discount by buying a call option on Nvidia rather than just owning the shares outright. And here, as you can see, the profit is unlimited. Yes, the stock has to go up for you to break even. Your break even would be actually $384 per share, which is fairly significant. But again, remember, you're getting basically 1/8 of the price. So you do have to have the stock move up in this scenario to make money above $384, but you have over a year for this to happen. And by the way, you don't have to hold this option until expiration, because you can hold it until expiration, and this is what happens at expiration. But let's just say this, in the next 1 or 2 or even 3 months, if this stock ends up going up by about 10%, this option is going to be up by about 30%, okay? So in just a short amount of time, you can actually have a big gain on a call option and end up closing this call option for a profit. Nobody said that you have to hold a call option up until expiration. If the call option makes you 20, 30, or 40% in 2 or 3 months, it is absolutely a good time to just sell, close that position, and book your profits. If you want all the latest up-to-date research on Nvidia and other growth stocks that I'm investing in, make sure you subscribe to this channel with notifications on. Thanks for watching. Would you rather hold Nvidia past 1,000 and not be able to sell for 10 years? Or buy Bitcoin at the top before the start of the bear market? Let us know in the comments section below.